Okay, we have a contestant for today.
This is what I see.
That's our contestant, and if he wins, he will win this trouble game.
You said that too loud.
So, shh, it's our secret. Shh, don't tell.
I just said that. Hey, I saw that. I saw that.
I'm just trying to
Guilty. Doggy.
This is a blindfold test.
Alright, it works. It works!
Wait, don't touch.
Wait, what the
Okay,
heck?
you know, you're here. Okay, Sophie, we're done. We're done with the blindfold test. I can't wait to do yours. Okay, no, we can see you. You can't see us.
Okay. So we're standing right here.
Isn't that right, Snickers? Yeah.
Cup 2. Cup 3.
Hello.
Choose one.
Choose one and sip it.
You actually have to move that up,
yeah.
Sophie. Did you win?
Stop.
No, you lose!
Wait, can I tell you something?
You lose. It was garlic powder. Sophie, that's gross.
Oh, you took 2 salts.
That's gross.
Snickers is gross.
Sophie, we're not doing that.